Celebrities that can. No, I can celebrities. Where do you see a list? And it's open to show your fault. Record the win on your phone while your phone is gonna be freezing and get frostbite. Playing like snow sacrifice is back. And these people snow have a criminal that's committed a lot of bombing. So for bombing, you're gonna get executed by water. And you guys too, because you guys snitch. You guys snitch. Touch them inappropriately and pretend one of the big snow is a boulder. I'm gonna get frostbite. Build a snowman, but you just realize it's trash, is terrible, and you also destroy it and look even worse, and you decide you fail in life. I hate it. Smash it! I mean, throw it. Keep it as a pet. Look at my pet Snow. My pet Snow. I love you so much. Oh, come on, let's go, Snow. Get rid of all the evidence that you killed so many snow people. Get some snow before it melts. Yeah. Pretending you are a narrator of a documentary. Day 562 of the endless snow apocalypse. There's so many snow. Schools are closed permanently until further notice. And also, many people got food for a year. And my nipples got hard. Microwave some snow for 16 seconds.